People often mistake this or make mistakes while doing this problem. So this is how we are going to. People solve it like this: 26 divided by 2. They first solve this bracket. That comes out to be 13. Then they just simply do this like 26 into 26. But this is completely wrong because according to the PEMDAS rule, first we do parenthesis, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So this is wrong, and the correct method is to solve this would be 26. Here's divide. Here bracket, this is multiplication, then 10 plus 3. We have to solve it like this: 26 divided. First, we will solve the parenthesis, that's the values in the bracket. That comes out to be 13. Then we will solve the first, we will divide this. That comes out to be 13. Then it's 13 to 13. That comes out to be 169. So that's it. Easy.